Good morning, children. Today we are going to do our English phonics class and we are going to learn the sound sh. What is the sound? Sh. Already you would have learned this sound. What is this? E. That's right. As in free, tree. Is it not? Yes. That's your E. Whenever you hear the sound, long sound E, you're going to make use of two letters E and E. Next phonic sound that we had learned was th, as in thunder. Is it not? Thick, thin, thunder. So wherever you hear the sound th, you're going to write T and H together. Okay? Okay. Today in green sandpaper letters, I told you we are going to see sh. Do you see what two letters are there? We have an S and a H. When S and H come together, we make a new sound called sh. Say that? Sh. Yes, it's the same sound that we make for saying shh. That's the same sound. Okay? You would have come across this sound sh in so many words. Shall we try and see those words? Yeah? Come. Take a look at the board for sh words. Okay? I'm going to say some words. You will hear the sound sh in it. Sometimes in the beginning or sometimes in the end. Okay? It can come also in between. First one. Try and read also if possible. Sh. Whatever is in red will be sh now. Sh. Op. Shop. 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 You know the shop, right? Shop to which you go and buy your chocolates. Next one. Shh. And you see here two E's together. So you'll say E. Shh. Eat. Sh eat. Sh eat. Sheet. As in a sheet of paper. Where will you do your drawing? On a sheet of paper, right? Or think about that bed sheet. You put the bed sheet and go to sleep? Yes. So when I say bed sheet, the same sheet only. Do you hear sh in it? Bed sheet. Good. Next one. Ship. 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 Okay, great. Now other words you may not be able to read. You are supposed to learn more phonograms, then only you will know. But try to listen to the sounds. Shoe. A pair of shoes. Then last one. Shark. You know what's a shark? It's a fish. A big huge fish. And you hear the sound sh in it. Shark. Now let's look at some words which have sh in the end. Okay? You can try and read if you want. F-I-N-I-sh. Finish. 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 Very good. Have you finished your work? Thank you. Next one. Fish. Fish. You see that? Now you can read small words and big words too. Fish. Shark is a fish. Next one. Dish. 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 Mommy, whatever things that she makes is called like sambar or anything that she makes is called a dish. And sometimes the vessel into which she pours, no, that patram, that is also called as a dish. Okay. Next one. Splash. 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 What is splash? Sometimes you'll play, when you get naughty, you take water in your hand and you will splash the water. Is it not? Splash. Or maybe if you see little water on the floor, you like to jump on it and splash that water. Do you hear sh when I say splash? Yes. Next one. Rush. Rush. Rushing means to do things quickly. Rushing means at least walking quickly. Like for example, when you're going out of school, when we're going down the stairs, what will you say? No rushing. You will all go one behind the other in a line. No rushing. அவசரமா போகக்கூடாது. Okay? What will happen if you rush in the staircase? You will fall. What will happen if you rush and do things? சீக்கிரமா பண்ணும்போது sometimes you will forget. Is it not? So we tell don't rush. அவசரமா பண்ணக்கூடாது. Rush. Okay? Next one. Shirt. When I say shirt, you hear sh in it, right? You all know what is shirt. Shell, the shells that you get from the beach. Okay, that is also got a sh in it. Then brush, your toothbrush or your painting brush. Do you hear sh in the end? Great. Next one. Thrash. Thrash means to, our dustbin is also called as a trash bin sometimes. Anything that you don't want, வேண்டாங்கிறது, if you're trying to move it away, அது தேவையில்லைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு you're moving it away, no? So we told we are going to thrash it off. Okay, இல்லைன்னா you put it in the trash bin சொல்லுவாங்க. Put it in the trash bin. Okay, trash. So you have shop, sheet, ship, shoe, shark, finish, fish, dish, splash, rush, shirt, shell, brush and thrash. Okay, so that is all for this week. I want you to look out for more words in sh. 2 words, one in the beginning with a sh and another in the end, sh. If you have one in between also, it's fine, good for me. Monday I will see you and we are going to discuss on sh words. Okay, until then, bye bye.